Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the negative effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Then we're going to go to the effects, video effects, and nightclub. We're going to scroll down and we're going to locate the negative effect and bring it down to the timeline. And we're not going to elongate it for the whole clip because this effect is meant for like a part of a clip, right? So we'll do it right there. That's perfect. Let's check it out. That's a pretty intense effect. I won't lie. I almost had a seizure. Anyways, um, you guys can also mess around with the speed of this effect on the special effects tab. And yeah, that's how it goes. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.